This evening, her granny gave her boiled mushroom, and she enjoyed a lot. She's feeling sleepy now because she ate so much. She's a member, a youngest member of our family, and we love her so much. And we don't want anybody to take action against her without our consent. But if it's her fault and make a mistake, we'll do according to our way. To stop behaving bad again. We'll try.
Muro. Muhiro. Muhiro. Maybe zero. Amit Vintilian killed go tak takani. Ming fear coke maybe. No. Ming fear coke maybe.
We used to give her a treatment for knowledge, our knowledge, Mizo knowledge, so we always speak to her in a proper manner ways in Mizo language, and she learned very fast. She cannot speak, that's the only problem, but she knows almost all about what we told her and what we say about her. This is our love. And as we are also Mizo, the head hunter tribe in our olden life. We are very kind. Now we are Christians and we practice Christianities in every ways, even to our pet and to our families, our neighbors, our friends, and all. So we will always want to stand for her, as we have taken her in as one of a member of our
ที่
family
เป็ดจะเป็นตะเทียมนี่ตก
and we know our responsibilities.
ค่ะเป็ดตกค่ะ
Okay, thank you for watching. Please watch again. Second
เป็ดตก
video. Bye. All of you, bye. Hope to see you one day in this world, if not in heaven. Goodbye.